Hi, and welcome to this category, which is all about the phone system inside of GoHighLevel. Now, I put this little introduction together because the phone system inside of GoHighLevel is really big and very complicated. So the idea is to condense that down into the fundamentals of what you really do need to know. Because the phone system, depending on your market and your verticals and things that you're going to be going after, the phone always plays a critical role in any customer journey, be it B2C or B2B. The phone is still today very relevant, and we want to understand, what are the capabilities, what are the flexibilities and limitations inside of GoHighLevel, and as it relates to currently Twilio. And with the release in Q4 of 2022, bringing out their own LC or lead connector phone system. So we want to cover off probably two of the biggest differences between using Twilio and lead connector. Even though the backend infrastructure is still Twilio, we need to look at things like how to buy numbers, how to get approval for countries that require regulatory approval, how to do call forwarding, how to do call tracking and attribution, understanding what the options are for using the dialer, how to record calls, how to listen to those recordings, and more. So this is a big section. I thought it was really relevant to include it in this course, to give yourself a really good fundamental grasp of the phone system and how powerful it is, because that is going to empower you to sell way more and empower and educate your customers to do more and get more value out of a system that you're already giving them. So enjoy this section. I hope you enjoy it as much as I did making it. See you soon in the first lesson.